Hi everybody, and welcome to another Kids Craft. Today we're going to be making a mushroom fairy house from a flower pot. Here's what you're going to need. First of all, you are going to need a clay or terracotta flower pot. You do want to make sure that it has a saucer. Next, you're going to need some paint. I recommend having red, white, and brown, but you can have other colors if you like to paint on extra decorations. That's up to you. Obviously, you'll need a paintbrush. And you will need anything that you would like to decorate your fairy house with. I've got a stick-on bee and ladybug, but you can use anything else that you'd like. You can find some flowers, some other scenery, that's up to you. To start, you are going to want to paint the saucer red. And once that is dry, take some of your white paint and paint on some white dots. And set that aside and give that some time to dry. Next, you're going to take the pot itself and paint that white. Once that's dry, you can paint on any sort of details that you like. I painted on a door, some windows. I mixed some of my white and red paint and painted on some flowers. And then I used brown and some of my white and red to make kind of a brick pattern along the bottom. You don't have to do it this way. You can do that however you like, whatever you think looks best on your fairy house. Now, once everything is dry, take your saucer and glue it to the top of the pot. I guess this would be the bottom of the pot, but the top of your house. And then add any accessories that you like. I just stuck my bee and my ladybug on the side of my house. And that's it. You can make this as simple or as detailed as you like. You can set it inside, set it in your garden, wherever you like. And then you have your own mushroom fairy house. Thank you for joining us for this month's Kids Craft, and we will see you next time.